Another scorcher out there today. Forecaster Mark Spencer from Ohio News and Weather. High temperatures and those dangerous heat index values will continue through the end of the week. There is a chance for storms, however, Friday and Saturday afternoon into the early evening hours. And we'll see some relief from high heat next week. We'll generally be in the mid to upper 80s for the first half of the week, in the lower to mid 80s for the second half of the week. So not quite as warm. A little bit more average summer-like for Ohio. Temperatures out there at about 4 o'clock here. It's a hot one out there. Maybe a touch cooler along the immediate lakeshore. Otherwise, mid to upper 90s out there. 99 in Toledo. Whew, holy Toledo. It's hot, let me tell you. What's it feel like out there? It feels hot. I don't know how else to put it. We are generally in the triple digits across the majority of the state. Ashtabula, a touch cooler, 95 feeling out there. Otherwise, 100 plus in most locations. It is dangerous out there, so if you are outside, take breaks from this heat, drink plenty of water, get into an air-conditioned area every now and again, and of course, lots of sunscreen. You want to make sure of that too. We do have this extreme heat warning in effect through Thursday night across all of Ohio. Radar is quiet. It's going to stay that way again tomorrow as well. Our future temperatures here, again, we're going to be mid-upper 90s to low 100s across the state again on Thursday. Friday, it'll be a touch cooler, low to mid-90s, maybe a few upper 90s out there. Saturday, still warm. How about upper 80s to mid-90s? And then Sunday, we're generally looking at low 90s to upper 80s for the most part. And again, here's our Monday, mid to upper 80s across the state. And Tuesday, also looking to be a bit cooler there, perhaps on this model. That remains to be seen just a little bit. I think this is too cold here, personally, but we'll see what transpires. A lot of time to go. What's it going to feel like tomorrow? Yep, hundreds once again across the entire state. Friday will be generally around the low to mid 100s once again, too. Saturday, we're going to be a touch cooler, but still hot, still dangerous out there as well. Could see some heat advisories going through there. And then Sunday as well, low to upper 90s, actually from north to south across the state there on Sunday. So still warm through the weekend. We do have to watch. This is going to be Friday, my bad. Friday, we have a marginal risk for severe storms across the entire state of Ohio, really across the entire Great Lakes for the most part. And generally what we're looking at here are storms that are going to develop and will produce damaging winds and potentially large hail. That's kind of what we get here. So looking at our future radar Friday into Saturday, there are Friday afternoon, things just kind of blow up across northern Ohio. They'll dissipate after sunset Friday night. And then we're going to repeat this again on Saturday afternoon and evening, right about there across northwest Ohio. A little bit more coverage there as we get into Saturday evening, and then those will dissipate, of course, through Saturday night. So that could affect some fireworks shows out there both nights. Keep that in mind. Again, with these cells, it's going to be a large hail damaging wind threat for the most part. Not really expecting any tornadic weather. We don't really have that set up. And when we get this high heat, that's the large hail and damaging winds is typically what we see develop. So we're going to keep an eye on this for you. Stay with us for the latest. Of course, you can stay ahead of the storm anytime, day or night, by downloading our free Ohio News and Weather app on your device today.